Hexicans, welcome back to Crypto Conan. Let's do a continuation of my price prediction video that I did maybe a week or two ago. You guys are amazing. Hex is an outlier in the market right now, especially at this moment that I'm recording. The market's kind of down. Other altcoins are hurting. And we're up 10% on the daily. So right now, bring your attention to the monthly chart. And I want you to pay attention to this monthly moving average. This is your 21 EMA. So it's right now what I'm trying to do is build a case of confluence, and you'll see why. So that's coming in right around 12 spot 63 cents. So let's remember that 12 spot 63. All right, let's unhide some of my work here. Oh, what a mess. So we're going to zoom in on the lower time frame to kind of make sense of all these fib levels I have pulled, and kind of just do a short review of what we spoke of last time. Oops, this guy. So last time we spoke, this blue line right here, that was our August highs. Now I think at the time of me recording, I think we're just kind of battling right around this area. And I said, watch out for these August highs. We got to defeat them. We came up, we failed. That was a failed auction. Came down, did a big pullback. Well, not a big one, but it did retrace with Bitcoin. And right now, what we have formed is a expanding megaphone on an upward expanding megaphone. We did eventually overcome our August highs, and we did test my 2618 not once but twice. We barely crept over it. That's a failed auction pullback, but just tonight, bam, we blasted. But we are hitting resistance with our upward line of our megaphone. Let's just expand that a little bit there. So where do we go from here? As bullish as we're behaving at the moment, I'm looking to hold this 2618 and on my new fib pole, which is obviously at the 1. We need to hold this level. And I do believe we're going to break out. Now you can see my box here that I have drawn, and what we talked about, our monthly moving average, which came in at what, 12 spot 68, which is right around here, right around the top of my box. Okay, I want you to pay attention to this confluence here, because from my original fib pole, that would give us our full expansion of our 4236. Not only that, in our grand overview, that comes up to our master fib pole of our total price action of Hex. That confluence level is the 236. So I am looking for a breakout of this megaphone, and for our final move of this rally, for now, to find major resistance right around this level. That's what I'm looking for at this point. Now, if we were to flip this, let's go back to my other chart, lower time frame. And you can snapshot this, you guys. I mean, these levels have just, for my original fib pole right here, you can see how these levels have just played out beautifully. So obviously right now from here, I'm looking for next point of resistance at this 11 spot 46 cents. And you know, it may just grind. We may have a pullback and it may grind back up. This could take a couple days, a week or two. So let's talk about the bigger picture here. If we were able to flip this point, so it'd have to look something like this. It'd have to look like, if we break out here and hold this and come up, got to hold this megaphone. If we were able to flip this in a bullish, do a bullish retest, you know, we could test these levels. Now, here's what I have supporting this and not supporting this, and unfortunately we have to flip over to the Bitcoin chart. I don't know if some of you like that or some of you don't. Just want to draw your attention to this real quick. This is something I posted back on the 19th of February. Guys, I always saw this rally coming. It's just a crude ghost fractal that I pulled. I always had us coming up into the $30,000 level. Now, what's got me a little worried is we have hit my 236 right on the nose. But I don't think this move is over. I really don't. I think that we perhaps will. This is the same chart. I just got it zoomed in now. You can see my ghost fractal. It's not following it exactly, but it does show the move. So right here, that's my 236. Look how perfectly we've touched it. So we could reject from here. What makes me think that we may not is because it's not a harsh rejection that we're getting. We're kind of holding our ground, Bitcoin is right now. So what I would really like to see Bitcoin do is flip this and retest our pocket here. And this is our value area low, our point of control value area high of this level. Now what's got my interest peaked is once we gain acceptance into this part, we most likely always finish the move to the upside. Confluence, we have this major moving average here. We have this one coming down. This could take some time, and we could grovel here for a while. We could tease up, come down. Shorters get excited, but they get another surprise back up. I am looking at this as a point of rejection for now. I play Bitcoin level by level. I've called it from here to here. If you look at my old videos, my Instagram, I've nailed every one of these moves. So I don't think I'm going to be wrong on this one either, but we'll see. So going back to HAGs, you know, if we do get that move up, I think that's going to finish our move, like I said, up to at least this level, if not more. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think about that. Let's just play it level by level. I'll keep you updated on what I see. One thing I am seeing right now is, you know, slight bearish divergence building on the RSI, but we may just pump right through those before those come into play. So let me know if these videos are helpful. The last one, you guys seemed to like it, except the music was too loud, I admit. So I went music-less on this one. And I just thank you for your support. Please press the like button, give me a follow. I'll keep you guys updated as soon as I can. Crypto Conan out.